Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to share Capcut video to YouTube. So please watch the full video. Let's get started. First of all, open Capcut. Now open a video. Let's suppose I am exporting this video and then share it to YouTube. So tap on export button on the upper right corner. Now export. Now there are many options. You can share it to WhatsApp, you can share it to Facebook, Instagram, but we will tap on other option below. Now you can share it to many places like Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and Discord, TikTok, and many other. So we should have to tap on YouTube. Now here you can add your title. Add your title here. Here add your description. And here add your location you want to watch your audience watch your video in the country. Let's suppose I'm typing United Kingdom. Now you can also add the tags and add it to your playlist. You can add your tags here. After that, tap on next option, and here select the option it is made for kids or not, and then upload it. So your video will upload to YouTube. So this is a simple method. So I hope you guys will like this video. Thanks, goodbye.